Do you want to say anything about your attire?
Sollu. Sollu Nikku. Hey, sollu. Say Nikku.
Wear this attire?
Say.
Because Mama asked you to do, right?
Sollu Nikku. Sollamma. Sollu. Give him mic. He will tell. Sollu.
My name is Lily Ketan.
Sollu.
I am studying second class.
Okay. Sollu. Nikku, sollamma. Inga vaari. Nikku, say something. Sollu. My name is Mohandas. Sollu. Sollu Nikku.